What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us again this week. I wanted to start off by telling you guys about Cryptobridge's trading competition for June. They have started it with the set hashtag from June to the moon. This competition will reward the best traders in terms of volume and not in terms of profit. This will allow anyone to participate regardless of their financial possibilities and will significantly increase the volume on the platform. I have provided that link below, so go check it out. If you guys have been following along with the journey from our friends from Aircoins, you can now withdraw AIRx to any wallet that supports ERC20 tokens. So if you plan on trading it to other wallets, be sure to have some Ethereum stashed away just to cover that cost. This is the only coin you can withdraw right now, but they have said that they do plan on adding more into the future. I provided a link below to a video that gives you instructions on how to set up a wallet and start withdrawing those Aircoins. Alright guys, last story for this week. On June 14th, Safe Insure Sin's coin block reward will enter the long-term stability phase. So block rewards will decrease from 9 to 5 coins. The reward decrease will lower the inflation, bringing more stability and security. I have provided that link below so you can read the full story and all that information. That's it for this week, guys. Sorry it was short and sweet. I'll have more information for you next week. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next Monday.